White stork is a large bird in the stork family. They build massive nests that acts as a microhabitat for other animals. Come on, let's see in detail. This is Soumya's capsules enriched with knowledge. In the ecosystem, large animals have special role. They often exert strong top-down control on ecosystem structure. They may also act as an umbrella species, and their presence may be associated with increased local biodiversity. The nest of large birds can also act as a microhabitat and biodiversity hotspot, providing numerous organisms with shelter, food, and opportunities for breeding. The white stork is a large bird in the stork family, Cycanoidae. Its plumage is mainly white with black on the bird's wings. Adults have long red legs and long pointed red beaks. White storks are emblematic farmland birds in Europe. They often receive considerable public attention and support from conservation scientists and organizations. White storks are also used as an indicator species in biodiversity, ecological monitoring, and assessments. They build large nests up to size of 2 meters in height, 1.5 meters in diameter, and 250 kilograms in weight. These are used repeatedly even over decades, and they may also be relatively used by other birds such as sparrow, wood pigeon, piped wagtails, passer species, Motacilla alba, etc. for their nesting. Moreover, white storks are highly opportunistic feeders, bringing to the nest and nestling everything from large invertebrates to vertebrates, including rodents, amphibians, and snakes. Remnants of prey, defecated droppings from nestlings over the nest edge, and minerals brought to the nest by the parents affect the physiochemical characteristics of the nest. The nest interior is mostly humid in nature and provide organic material as a potential source of energy for the assemblage of fungi and arthropods. Moreover, nests may attract other invertebrates such as white stork's parasites, spiders, or flying insects hiding in the nest or feeding on the organic material. This may in turn attract other animals feeding on this type of prey. A group of scientists from Poland studied in detail about the microhabitat of other birds around the nest of white stork's nest. For this research, the scientists taken around 51 pairs of white stork's nests as test and a pylon without stork nest as a control. They counted birds foraging around white stork's nest and divided them according to their foraging habitats and behavior into two categories. The first one, the insectivorous and aerially foraging birds, whereas the second one was the sparrows, which collect food also from the nest surface and interior. Moreover, scientists also recorded bats that forage close to the white stork's nest. The results indicated that the nest of white stork serves not only as breeding site for some bird species, habitat for insects and other invertebrates, but may represent as an important source of food for other invertebrates. Scientists found that active nests of white storks attracted significantly higher number of insectivorous aerially feeding birds and sparrows than the control points. The birds and bats feeding on insects and other invertebrates search and concentrate near places with higher abundance of the prey than in the surrounding environment. Besides invertebrate species that develop in the nest lining, There are also species that utilize the nest waste and food remnants, as well as insects that parasitize on the nesting. All of these insect groups can serve as a food source for insect eating birds and bats. This study proved that the nest of large birds play an important role as biodiversity hotspot on a small spatial scale.
Thank you for watching. And this is Soumya's capsules enriched with knowledge.